CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.3. Given a scenario, configure basic mobile device network connectivity and provide application support. Wi-Fi connectivity. While hotspot connectivity allows a mobile device to create a network using cellular data, Wi-Fi connectivity focuses on joining an existing wireless network. Wi-Fi allows mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops to connect to local networks provided by home routers, businesses, schools, or public access points. Once connected, the device can access the internet and local network resources without relying on cellular data. A common Wi-Fi scenario might involve arriving at home, opening your laptop, and automatically connecting to your home wireless network. Unlike a hotspot, this connection is provided by a wireless router that is already connected to the internet through a wired service, such as cable or fiber. Because Wi-Fi does not rely on a cellular data plan, it is often faster, more stable, and does not consume mobile data allowances. To connect to a Wi-Fi network, a user opens the device's Wi-Fi settings and views a list of available wireless networks. After selecting the correct network, the device may prompt for a security key or password if the network is protected. Once authenticated, the device establishes a connection and can begin transmitting data. Many mobile devices are configured to remember trusted networks and automatically reconnect when they are in range. Finally, Wi-Fi settings, just like hotspot settings, allow users to control how and when devices connect. Wi-Fi can be turned on or off to conserve battery life, avoid untrusted networks, or force a device to fall back to cellular data when needed. In many troubleshooting scenarios, simply understanding how Wi-Fi behaves and how it interacts with other connection options can quickly lead you to the right solution. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.